How to use Wiley Online Library. Wiley Online Library is a platform that gives access to academic journals in a range of subjects from health, physical sciences, social sciences, humanities and more. Wiley Online Library can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the W tab. Start typing your search term in the search box. As you type, you will be given the option to select authors or publication titles by name. If you want to search across all content, click on the magnifying glass or the Everything option at the top of the search drop-down. You can filter the results by publication type, by publication date, by subject, by publication, or by author if available. Click on the title to read an article. You can see the details of the journal the article comes from. Jump to a section within the article. Open a PDF of the article, which allows you to print or download it. Get the citation of the article. Share the article by email or social media. See the references used in the article. See related articles. And see more information. Here you can find other keywords, and clicking on a word will get the results of a search using that keyword. You can browse the journal titles and filter by start letter, by subject, and by recently added titles. Click on a title to see more information and to access the issues and articles. You can access the latest issue or browse all issues. You can receive an alert when a new article or issues are published by entering your email to sign up. You can browse the content by subject, clicking on the drop-down and choose which branch you're interested in. You can then refine the results with filters like with a search. You can find help guides on using Wiley Online Library under Researchers Training and Resources. The guides are also available in a number of languages.